Did you know your Dayton Metro Library offers online learning tools for professional development? With this video, I'll show you how to access lynda.com by LinkedIn Learning. It's perfect for job seekers, lifelong learners, or anyone who wants to stay up to date in their field. Start at daytonmetrolibrary.org. You do need a DML library card to use this great resource. If you don't have one yet, you can register online for your e-card. With Library Card in hand, you can access lynda.com right from the homepage. Once you click, the first step is putting in your library card number and PIN. You'll go directly to your lynda.com homepage. The lynda.com library is packed with great information. There are about 270,000 online videos that cover hundreds of topics. One of my favorite ways to get started is at the search bar. Here, you can type in any subject, profession, or skill to see what's available. We'll try project management. Your results might include short educational videos, longer in-depth courses, or even entire learning paths. On the left, you can further narrow your search results by skill level, selecting beginner, intermediate, or expert, or you can filter by the amount of time you have, subject matter, favorite instructors, and more. Let's click on one of the courses. The left side shows the many chapters within the course and all that it will cover. Under the video, you can read an overview of what you'll learn and download the supplemental course materials like worksheets and templates. One of the great benefits of a lynda.com course is that it offers the opportunity for you to listen to the instructor, read along with the transcript, or even download the video and watch offline later. That way, it can match your preferred learning style. If you're interested but not ready to start the course yet, you can add it to your own personal playlist. Now, let's go back to look at one of lynda.com's expertly curated learning paths to see how those work. If you remember, our search was for project management. One of the returned results was for a healthcare project manager path. This learning path is 13 hours of curated video from 5 separate courses. It starts with an introduction to the basics of project management and builds to more specific and intermediate course levels. Learning paths provide you with an entire curriculum to help you reach your goal, and they're available in so many topics. Whether you want to brush up on a specific skill with a short video, stay up to date with the latest course, or discover a whole new profession with a learning path, you can count on lynda.com's expert instructors, support material, and consistent video production. As an extra bonus for your professional development, at the end of each course you receive a completion certificate. Plus, the partnership between lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning means that your new skill can translate directly to your professional LinkedIn page. This really benefits job seekers or those looking to move up in their current position. Visit your profile in the upper right corner to review your course history, access your certificates, keep track of your playlists, and more. Lynda.com is a great tool, available to you for free through your 24/7 branch at daytonmetrolibrary.org. If you have questions or need additional help with lynda.com, call our Ask Me line at 937-463-2665.